guys, it's Lisa, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make this slime. It's stretchy, pokeable, and fun to play with. So yeah, let's get on with the video. All you are going to be needing is some glue. Elmer's glue works the best. Food coloring is optional. Some water, contact solution, and some baking soda. So first you want to get a separate bowl. Add your water. Then after add your baking soda. Then let the baking soda sit, and then add some contact. Then add your contact solution. Then mix it. Then you add your glue in another bowl. Then you would add your activator. So right now I'm gonna add my activator. So I added my activator right now. So then you would mix. I already have some food coloring added to the thing I'm gonna use to mix it with. And I think it's too low, but then like straight away you'll see it clumping together like this. So I need some food coloring. So I'll be back when I add in my food coloring. So guys, I have added my food coloring, and I added a creamy pink peach. Then after doing that, you'd want to mix until your food coloring is mixed in well. So mine isn't mixed in well though, but it's good. Then after, you'd move on to kneading it. And it should be ready right when you're kneading it. So yeah, and now I'm gonna add it in to this slime. I made a big patch of this slime. And if your slime ever gets too hard, add more glue, add lotion, or add water. So yeah, that's it for this video, and thanks for watching. Bye, and make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. See you next time. Bye.